1B is to approve the spending of $6.5 million of the public's money. Procedure used to be that when a council member asked for a copy of a bill, they were provided that until the point where a council member said, I don't agree that it's a prudent use of taxpayer money to pay attorneys $585 an hour. Subsequent to that, the decision was made, well, we won't provide copies to the council member. So that's, again, a reduction in oversight, which Sunnyvale City government desperately needs. We need to get a handle on the spending. We need to have the council members accountable. And the only way they can be accountable is if they're provided copies of bills when requested. There's no detriment to the operation of the city government to provide a copy of a bill. It doesn't cost any additional money. So another council member will state, well, they went over and reviewed the books without getting a copy of the bill. But that individual made no comment about the problem with spending $585 an hour for attorney's fees for routine legal matters. So it's fine for each council member to approach their job of oversight the way they want. But the reason Sunnyvale residents elected 7 council members is to get a variety of viewpoints and a variety of styles. So for the council majority to insist that because there was a complaint, we're going to reduce the likelihood of finding things to complain about is to undermine effective democracy. I'm voting no on these.
Vice Mayor Davis.
Mr. Mayor, yesterday afternoon I had the opportunity to meet with the city attorney in regards to all the legal matters that are listed on the list of claims for tonight's billings. There were a number of claims dealing with personal injuries lawsuits. Those were billed at $185 an hour. There were a number of issues dealing with some litigation in regards to tree roots in public place. Those were billed at just slightly over $200. There was one bill that dealt with a baykeeper's environmental lawsuit that is a specialty kind of legal work that was billed at $350 an hour. Any council member, not only myself, but any council member on the dais can make an appointment with the city attorney and look over the bills. The reason that the bills are not physically provided in copies to the members is because the legal papers are a work product of the city attorney's office and thus are confidential. With that, Mr. Mayor, I would move to approve item number A2.
Councilmember Larson.
Second.
And with that, please vote.
The vote is 6-1. Councilmember Meyering dissenting. Motion carries.